Wolmer's Boys is represented this evening by Team Captain Raheem Spencer, Jamal Doctor, Ajani Crossman, and Siobhan Faulkner. While Knox College is represented by Kayeen Sinclair, Jayanna Stewart, Jordan Mackenzie, Team Captain Tambari T. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to this 11th match in round 2 of TVJ School's Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge. Do they have the skill, the knowledge, or the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Knox College won and decided to go first. So we begin with Knox College. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock, please. Knox College, your first question comes from history. Who founded the Barbados Labour Party in 1937?
Grantley Adams.
That's right, history. Wolmer's Boys. When Barbados was granted full internal self-government in 1961, who was the premier of the country?
Errol Barrow.
That's right, international affairs, the visual one for Knox College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Yes. Alexander Lukashenko.
Correct, President of Belarus. International affairs for Wolmer's Boys. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
And wait, Andrzej Duda.
President of Poland. Correct. Physics, Knox College. Which law states that the total current entering a junction or a node is equal to the total current leaving the node?
Gustav Kirchhoff's first law.
Correct. Physics, Wolmer's Boys. Which law states that any spontaneously occurring process will always lead to an increase in the entropy of the universe?
Second law of thermodynamics.
Good. Music and audio one for Knox College. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer. No, Sophia George, Tenement Yard. Music for Wolmer's. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer.
For the sick and the poor, the hungry and the shelterless sleeping on the floor.
Chris Martin.
Come go with Jacob Miller.
No, Sizzler, I'm Living. Spanish, Knox College. What part of the house is El Comedor?
The dining room.
That's right. Spanish, Wolmer's Boys. What part of the house is La Cocina?
The kitchen.
Good. Theatre and cinema, a visual one for Knox College. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Judy Andrews.
No, that's Ingrid Bergman. Theatre and cinema, Wolmer's Boys. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Wait. Open it good.
Spencer Tracy.
Correct. Information technology, Knox College. Which function key needs to be pressed during reboot to enter in safe mode while using Windows?
Control.
I know, it's F8. Infotech for Wolmer's. Which two-key combination is used to minimize all open windows and displays on the screen?
Control Windows.
No, Windows key plus D. Sport, a visual one for Knox College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Greg Berhalter.
No, Steve Kerr. A sport, visual for Wolmer's. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
With a name.
Jax Vance.
No, that's Doc Rivers, both NBA coaches. Literature, Knox College. In what year did Lorna Goodison publish the book From Harvey River, a memoir of my mother and her island?
1982.
No, 2007. Literature, Wolmer's. In what year did Lorna Goodison release the poetry series Controlling the Silver?
2005.
No, go to 2006.
2004. Jamaican Heritage, Knox College. Complete the proverb Parson Christen. Correct. Jamaican Heritage, Wolmer's. Complete the proverb When man belly full.
Him laugh.
Imbrook Pat. French for Knox College. What specific relation is le demi-frère?
The stepbrother.
Half-brother, French Wolmer's. What relation is La Marraine?
La Marraine,
Mother-in-law.
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 No, godmother. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match. Wolmer's boys on 5, Knox College also on 5. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. School's Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.